In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the query formula in Google Sheets. If you've ever felt buried under a massive spreadsheet and just needed a clean, focused view, like pulling only the sales entries from March, the query function is your best friend. Think of it as a simple, English-like command that tells Google Sheets exactly what to bring back, and it stays connected to your original data so it updates automatically. Here's the idea in plain language. You'll start by typing the formula, then you'll point it at your data, and finally, you'll tell it what to select and under what conditions. In a blank cell, type query, open a parenthesis, and highlight the entire range of your data, including headers. This gives query everything it needs to work with. Next, in quotation marks, you'll write your instruction. Start with select, followed by the columns you want to see in the result. For example, you might write select A, B, C, if those are the columns you care about. If you want everything, you can select all columns by using select. After select, add a where clause to define your rule. This is where the magic happens. For example, where B a sales tells query to only return rows where column B contains the word sales. If you also track months in another column, you can refine it further with something like where B equals sales and C equals March, adjusting the column letters to match your sheet. A couple of quick tips to make this smooth. Wrap text values in single quotes, like sales or March. Numbers don't need quotes. Make sure your column letters match your sheet and that your spelling in the where clause matches your data exactly. Once your select and where are set, close the quotation marks, add a closing parenthesis if needed, and hit enter. Instantly, Google Sheets builds a new, live table with just the rows and columns you asked for. You can format this output, chart it, or place it on a dashboard. And here's the best part. It's not a static copy. Whenever you update your main list, add new rows, fix a typo, or change a category, the query results refresh automatically. That's what makes it perfect for automated reports and living dashboards that always stay up to date without manual filtering. Mastering query isn't about memorizing every option. It's about understanding this simple flow. Point to your data, select what you need, and use where to narrow it down. Do that, and you've unlocked one of the most powerful tools in Google Sheets. Follow for more advanced Sheets tips and real-world examples you can use right away.